Today we talk about how can you add account name on your Phantom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to enter video to this list here. Then you click here on account, just click on it. You click here on account name. So then here can you add your account name in this list here. I'm going to add so this name here. So then you go back here, then it's going to add with you here your account name when you add it here in this list on your Phantom app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.